As cryptocurrency becomes a bigger part of the global financial system, mass adoption is crucial for its future. For crypto to go mainstream, it needs to be accessible, secure, and easy to use for everyday transactions, just like traditional currencies. That's where MetaMask card comes in. For those who don't know, MetaMask is an open-source crypto wallet initially released in 2016, used to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. It allows users to access their Ethereum wallets through a browser extension or mobile application. So what is MetaMask card? Launched in August 2024, the MetaMask card is a debit card powered by Mastercard that allows users to connect their MetaMask wallets to the debit card and pay directly with their crypto or stablecoin balances at any Mastercard accepting merchant. This means you no longer need to convert your crypto into fiat currency before making a purchase. The MetaMask card currently supports USDC, USDT, and wrapped Ethereum. Simply designate which tokens you would like to spend, set a spending limit, and tap the MetaMask card for instant payments. Besides the spending limit you set, there is a spending limit of 8,750 euros per day. The MetaMask debit card runs on Linea, a special kind of blockchain built on top of Ethereum called zk-EVM. So what does zk-EVM mean? Well, ZK stands for zero knowledge. This is a clever way to prove something is true without revealing all the details. Imagine showing your ticket to enter a concert without sharing your entire life story. This way you get in while keeping your personal information private. The EVM stands for Ethereum Virtual Machine. Think of it as a computer within the Ethereum blockchain that runs smart contracts and processes transactions, allowing everything to work smoothly. So when we talk about Linea zk-EVM, we are referring to a system that makes transactions faster and cheaper while ensuring your information remains secure and private. In layman's terms, Linea is faster and cheaper than the regular Ethereum network, so you don't have to wait or pay high gas fees when using your MetaMask card. Also, to bring you the card, MetaMask has partnered with CryptoLife, a card program manager with Mastercard leading the way in Web3 card initiatives. CryptoLife helps the MetaMask card work smoothly when you want to buy something with your cryptocurrency. Here's how it works in simple terms. When you use the MetaMask card to pay at a store or online, CryptoLife instantly converts your crypto into fiat money, like dollars or euros. This means you don't have to worry about changing your crypto into cash before you shop. It all happens automatically within milliseconds, making it easier for you to spend your cryptocurrency anywhere that accepts card payments. Before you can start spending crypto with your MetaMask card, you will need to set up a few things. First, create a MetaMask card account with CryptoLife. Once that's done, bridge funds to Linea, approve the tokens you wish to use, and set a spending cap for your card. Setting up your account involves entering your email and password, confirming your phone number, and verifying your identity through a secure KYC process. CryptoLife will manage your account and handle your personal information in accordance with their privacy policy. Rest assured that your information is never shared with MetaMask, so your crypto will remain in a self-custody wallet and the amount will be undisclosed. If you want to learn more about your security and privacy with MetaMask, you can visit their support page, link in the description. Of course, as a regular debit card, the MetaMask card can be added to Apple Wallet or Google Wallet for easy and instant transactions. So don't forget to add the MetaMask card to your digital wallet. Speaking of gas fees, during onboarding to the MetaMask card and after bridging at least $5 of the allowed tokens to Linea, $1 of Ethereum will be deposited into your Linea account to cover the first few transactions with your MetaMask card. Keep in mind that you might have to bridge additional Ethereum to Linea once your initial Ethereum balance runs out. When you use stablecoins like USDC and USDT, you will be charged the Linea gas fee, which is variable but typically around 2 cents. When you use a non-stable coin like wrapped Ethereum, you will be charged the same 2 cents fee along with a swap fee of 0.87%. After a transaction is completed, you can check your statement of transactions in the Manage tab to view the details of the transaction, including conversion rate, fee, and how many tokens were used. The MetaMask card can be managed through a convenient dashboard. You'll be able to freeze your card, manage your spending limit, add your card to your digital wallet, view and download your transaction history, and manage your spending preferences. It is important to mention that the MetaMask card currently works as a pivot program with a limited number of digital-only cards available to users in the UK and EU. The card is expected to be more widely available later this year or early 2025. Crypto adoption is inevitable, and this new partnership between trusted players in both crypto and traditional finance proves it. Welcome to the future. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, subscribe to my channel and check out the CryptoSnake Deals page for the best discounts on crypto products. Link in the description. Catch you later.